Okay, you guys, we're here at Dancing Drums Explosion.
Woo!
So as you guys know, we are looking for a big win on this slot machine. Well, there's 50,000 in the grand.
Yes.
Oh no, 50,000 in the explosion.
Yes.
30,000 in the grand. The major looks good. I'll take the minor and the mini. So let's go ahead and get this started, guys. We want to close this pot, but we are going to do a 188 bet, and we'll see what happens.
We have $50 in.
That's right, you guys. This is a $50 challenge. Trying to get. Oh, do I have to push
I
it?
can go on the other side.
That looks good. No. Okay. All right.
Oh, $8 win.
That was $8. Oh, that was good.
That was good.
All right. As always, guys, we're looking to double our money if we can. But I think today what we're looking for is a bonus and a feature. If we can get those two, we'll be done. Unless we get a big win.
I want the Dancing Drums Explosion.
That's what you're looking for, huh?
Exploding all over. We want 3 of these back to back to back.
Exactly.
3 drums, everybody.
That would be
Preferably
nice.
a gold drum, because that expands the reels on the bonus.
That would be great. Okay, so far. Oh, ooh.
Close. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's get this bonus, you guys. You know, Dancing Drums, I would say that although we don't always have the best luck, it was our first hand pay on this machine. Ever. Not on this specific machine. We were playing at a different casino, but still, it was our first hand pay ever, which was pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Oops. Okay.
Okay.
Takes us back a little bit. Oh, okay.
Getting a little something.
I thought that was something big.
I'm ready for a bonus.
I know. Okay, let's get it then. Nothing yet.
Oh, maybe. Ooh, 3 drums. 3
I know.
drums.
Oh man. I think so. I think I'm gonna have to shoot it down to 88 cents. We gotta do a minimum bet, guys. We're gonna see if maybe that'll wake this machine up a little bit. Come on, bonus. Wow, we haven't even got it in the first row yet.
I know, you're right. Come on, drums.
Okay. $1.50. Come on, drums.
Or at least close the pot.
It seems like we're far away from it. Right? Am I tripping or?
I'm not gonna lie. This feels a little cold.
Well, I do want to say, Kristen picked this machine. As we were walking through it, Kristen's like, right there, sit down. That's okay. You know what? You never know which machine's gonna hit.
Okay, one more spin, you guys.
One more spin. Wow.
Good.
Oh, we're helping somebody close the pot.
One last spin.
Okay, you guys, I think that's it.
I have more money.
I think we should go to another machine if we're gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
This one's pretty cold. But I do want to say, I feel good knowing that we helped somebody close the pot later. Okay, you guys, we are at another Dancing Drum. This one is not Explosion, it's just kind of basic, but I'm feeling lucky on this one. I do have to say, I chose this one, Christy did not. So if I lose on this, it's not Kristen's fault, it's mine.
We're doing a $1.76 spin. We have $50 in.
Close. Oh, but I closed the pot. See what happens when I play?
I'm very happy about it.
Okay, do you want to pick one?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, I'll pick one too. I'll do this one.
Look at a major.
Oh, good job. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's not it for us yet.
Let's get a major.
Oh, what do we get? We got the mini. That's $10.14. But you know what? It's more than what we had a minute ago.
That's
So,
true.
alrighty, you guys, I'm up $7. It's a pretty good start.
Oh, we're up 7. Yes.
Let's keep it going. Let's keep this going.
We're feeling good.
You know what? I'm feeling really good about this one.
Are you?
I am.
Me too.
I'm feeling like I might have picked a winner, you guys. Feeling like I might have picked a winner. Okay. That would have been
Red in the
really
front row would
good.
have been good. Yes, those are worth the most.
They
These
are.
red symbols.
Those dragons, right? Are they dragons? Komodo dragons or something?
I don't know there.
I think they're dog dragons.
Yeah, they're dog
Because
dragons. Is that a thing?
they got 4 legs. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Okay, couple
$2.
bucks.
Okay. All right. What do you guys feel? Do you guys feel like this might be a lucky machine? Because I'm feeling like it might be.
Nice. I think it will. You want to hit it too, babe?
Yeah, I'll try it a couple times. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's every time I. Ooh, that could have been good. All right, I'll push it here. Oh man, did our luck run out already? Oh, not quite yet. $4. Oh, $5.20.
Hey.
Okay.
Again,
that
we
would've
had a
been-
red symbol in the front. We would have got a lot.
That would have been really good.
Oh, I love those red symbols when they hit.
Okay, bonus time right here. Oh, that's
Oh my
almost
gosh,
good.
again.
I know.
We got $4 for that.
It's pretty good. 4:30.
Okay, people are winning around us. That's a good thing.
That's why I brought us to this area, because I knew that this area was going to be taken off very soon,
Yes.
and we might just be on the machine that wins a hand pay. All right, once again, you guys, we are going for a big win. We're not just going for any win.
Yes.
Oh, that could have been good.
BRG win.
Okay, you want to push it a couple times?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay. $3 on that one.
all right.
Nice.
Oh, that could have been
We
good.
got these all the way across for $16.
Oh, we did.
On the ships. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Nice. I'll
So
take
that's
that.
Good. We'll take the 16. Let's get
Oh, almost.
16.
One more.
More drum or wild symbol there. Would have got it. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Not
Uh-huh.
quite yet. Oh, that would have been good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, it's all. Oh, look at that. Another 16.
Another $16?
See, I knew what I was doing.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I knew I picked the right machine.
Let's go.
You know what? I'm going to say it. This machine's not going to let us lose.
No, it's not.
It's good. It's going to give us that big one. Big win.
We're about to get a bonus right
They
now.
are. I like these challenges where we're trying to go for bonuses.
Yes.
Oh, $6.
One more probably would have got us to the 16.
Yeah, right. Could have.
Need that.
Let's get it. Oh, that's pretty good. Those little coins. I think they're coins, right?
Yeah. $3.60. So back there. Let's get a bonus.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Oh, man. I love when the first one makes that sound.
Yes.
Because I feel like there's
First
hope.
drum.
The first drop. Is that the sound it makes?
It's the sound of the drum.
Is it a D sound? I didn't think it was a drum.
It is. What is it?
You know, I'm not sure. Your guess is probably as good as mine.
Oh.
It's like,
What is it?
it's like a whoa.
Whoa.
That's it. That's the sound.
You want to hit it, or you want me to keep
I think
hitting
so,
it?
because
I
I
know.
think my luck might be a little better.
We got this. Oh, so close.
You guys, all we needed was that one. We would have got them all the way across. Okay, I think it's time. This is where it goes
I
off.
think it's time to.
Come on, bonus.
Come on, one bonus. Let's go.
And the pot's filling up pretty well.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. $3. Okay, fam, we need all of your energy, positive energy.
Yes.
Send it our way because we are down to $15. But you know what? Like I said, I don't think the scene's gonna let us lose. I just just don't think it's gonna let us walk away.
Maybe I should keep hitting it.
I think so. Your timing was better than mine.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, that's good, but man, that could have been great. It's all right.
We haven't gotten one big hit on those reds, and I want
I know.
reds.
That would be great.
One last spin.
Last one, you guys. This is it.
It let us lose.
It did let us lose.
Hey, you guys, we're at Ultimate Fire Link, and we got a bonus feature. We got 4 links, and so anyways, we've been spinning. We have 3 spins to fill all of this up, and then this row will get disappeared.
Well, it'll pretty much be available.
It'll be available.
Unlocked, they say.
Yeah, unlocked. There you go. Thank you.
No
So
problem.
3 more spins. Let's go.
Okay, that's one.
You want a major, you want a minor, you want a mini. Yes.
There we go.
Now what? We only need
All right.
one more fireball to unlock that next row. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, baby. Let's get it.
There we go.
Yes. Okay, we only need 2 more fireballs to unlock the next row. Let's go. Let's get a major, huh?
Let's go for it.
Let's get a major. Yes. Okay, back up to 3 spins again. Let's go. Hit, hit, hit. Hit it. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no.
Let's see what
Last
happens.
spin. Let's go. Come on.
Let's get it. There we go.
Woo.
And we got 3 more.
3
Oh
more
man, I gotta zoom out a little bit.
spins. Okay.
Here we go.
3 more links to unlock the top row.
All right.
Now we have
3 more. Oh, 2 more. Yeah.
2 more. Let's hit. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Hit, hit, hit. Yes.
1 more.
1 more to
Right.
unlock the last row.
Let's get it.
3 more spins. Let's go. Hit.
Oh, there we go.
Unlock the last one.
All right.
Let's go. I saw a major. Go.
I know.
Come on, major. Come on, major.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Major, major, major. Hit, hit, hit. Hit.
Come on.
Okay, this is the last spin. Let's go. Hit it. Major.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's
You know what? That was a pretty nice one, though.
We're doing 2 cents denomination, you guys. So.
Exactly. So everything's going to be doubled pretty much. Or, yeah, everything's doubled. Let's see
Right?
what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's go. Let's add it up. What do we get?
Okay, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
I don't even know where it's at, but I want to. Oh, okay, cool. So we got, what, about 67?
We got 67.
Nice, not bad.
We did it. I'm so excited.
I know. All right, that's not bad at all.
A big win, you guys.
I know.
Woohoo.
All right. Oh, wait. What, 129 bucks?
Well, yeah, because we
Oh,
were at
'cause-
60 something.
Exactly. All right, a couple more times.
Yeah.
Let's just hit it and let's see what happens.
3 more backup spins.
3 more backup spin. That's
Okay,
1, 2, and here's the last one, 3.
One more for game.
Oh, okay. Well, that was fun. All right, guys. I think we're really out this time.
Yay, I'm really happy we got something.
Me too.
Okay, bye guys.